Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for visiting my channel. I'm happy to have you here. If you haven't already visited my channel, please take a look at some of the other videos and like and subscribe to my channel if you want to. I am showing off a design team project with a butterfly collection from Tiana at Torgys Arts and Creative Journals. She has a YouTube channel, she has a Facebook group, I believe, and she also has an Etsy store. So if you're interested, I will have those links in the comments of the video. So, quick look, just a roundabout look at this. It's a mini album. It's a fairly basic one. This collection had beautiful butterfly papers in a variety of colors, and I've added a few things that aren't part of the collection, like the book pages and a couple little tags. Anyway, so here's the front. This is a basic mini album with I really like pocket pages, so if you'll notice on some of my videos as you watch them, I have a lot of pages in a lot of my albums that are full pockets, because then you get to decorate the back and front of the page, and also you can decorate the tag, and it just adds for extra room for journaling and photos. So here's the cover with that really pretty butterfly, and I love the colors of this. If you can see, there's just a wonderful blend of textures in this. Okay, the first two pages are basically simple. I did the same technique on quite a few of the pages, where I did one of the Tim Holtz tags with the paper on it, and I made these little photo flaps that you could journal in here or add another photo, and you could put a photo or journal in there. So I did the same technique on quite a few pages. These are just die-cut flowers from another set. This one has a really fat band because I wanted to put this little booklet in, and this is just a little folio, and if I can remember where I found this one, I will link the tutorial for that in the comments of the video also. Just has some of her pretty design. This collection had a lot of jars with the different designs on them, so I used that. Beautiful music paper with flowers. I used a lot of pieces in this from scraps from doing the album. So it's just a simple little flip everywhere. Lots of room for journaling. Lots of room for photos. And the fun thing on this one is there is actually a recipe for a wacky cake. So I may even try this. I have no idea what this wacky cake will taste like. It's a chocolate cake recipe that has been around for generations. So anyway, so maybe I'll try that one of these days. Looks like a little bit of fun. And there's that. So this band, if you look, is quite wide. Normally I would make them so stuff would stick in there, but I wanted that to just slide right in there like that. And then this is the tag, the journaling card. You could put a photo back here, you could journal here, whatever you want to do. And I did put some little charms on those. And most of these are somewhat the same, just using different papers. I can even get that open again. I need to put those little those round circle holes, but I always forget. So yeah, not on this one. Okay, so then here's the next layout. This one has this image has this pretty castle. And then again, more butterflies in different colors than on this page and on the cover. So you can kind of see what a variety of papers this kit included. Then another little tag, again for journaling or whatever you want to do. And then similar tag. The tags are all follow the same layout, so there's nothing really that different on any of those. This is one of the jars that I made into the little flip that you can tuck your photo under and journal in here, or put a photo here and a photo there. Look at these butterflies, the green, everything. I just love these butterflies. And another tag. Again, just slight differences. The keys are different tones, I think. I might have pulled all the same tones out for this one. Just some little die cuts that I had, or some little dies. These butterflies here almost have a gold shimmer to them. More. And I just use little scraps for all of this. So a lot of this was There wasn't a whole lot of paper left over after I did the couple of items. Actually, there was. I could probably have enough to do another small folio or mini. Again, look at those rich reds. Gorgeous, huh? Okay, and then this one has another little, just a little tag made out of the jar. Again, that same jar. I did print this on this background paper because I don't always like to use white. There I do have white. I should cover that up. And with a 3D butterfly on it. And then, did I show you this tag? I think I did. Alright, and then this is the last page, the back cover, inside back. Again, a fairly simple album. Endless possibilities. You can make some really cute embellishments for your junk journal out of this. You could also make some really pretty cards and such. And then I just used ribbon I had on hand and made kind of some fun, fluffy stuff. So there it is. Again, this is from Tiana's collection. Tiana at Torgys Arts and Creative Journals. And thank you for visiting my channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you want. Come back for more. There'll be some.